Hello guys, welcome back. Let's hop right into it. Remember to write your name, not this, your actual name. And remember to write the date. I just drew the moose because I felt like that today. So I'm going to be doing the start examples, and with the help of the examples, you can do the rest, and I hope it'll be easy for you. So let's hop right into it. We're going to start with some addition. So the one thing about addition is that order does not matter. So if you switch the numbers, it will still lead to the same answer. So with that, I like to put the bigger number on the top and then the smaller number on the bottom. And then you put the plus sign on the left. And we look at each number one digit at a time, like one place value at a time. And we're going to go from the ones all the way to the left. So let's start. 4 plus 8 is 12. So we put the ones value of 12 on the bottom. And with the tens value, we put that on top. And with that, we're going to now add 1 plus 5 plus 2. So 1 plus 5 is 6, and 6 plus 2 is 8. Since there's no tens place value with that, we just continue now. So 2 plus 6 is 8, and 1 plus blank, which is 0, is 1. Therefore, the answer is 1,882. Okay, let's look at dividing now. For this one, order does matter. So the first number will always going to be inside, and the second number will always be on the outside. Also, the amount of place values will equal the amount we start with. So for this one, since there's only one, since this is basically the ones value, 5, that means we'll start at the ones value here. So how many times can 5 go into 4? We need to find a number that is basically less than 4 or equal to 4. So 5 times 1 is 5. But 5 is greater than 4, so we have to go down one number. So 5 times 0 is 0. So 5 going to 4 0 times. Therefore, you put the product, which is 5 times 0, is 0. And the answer is going to be the same. If that is going to be the same, that means the answer is going to be a one-digit value. So we need to actually find how many times can 5 go into 40. So let's think. So if 5 times 5, okay, if 5 times 10 is 50, and 5 times 2 is 10, 50 minus 10 is 40, right? So if we subtract 10 and 2, that's going to equal to 8. So let's try that. 5 times 8 is 40, and that looks correct. So just to make sure, 5 times 8 is 40, 40 minus 40 is 0. And if there's no remainder, that means this fully divides out. Okay, but also remember to box your answers. Okay, let's look at multiplication. So order does not matter for multiplication. So if you're using the times table, going horizontal or vertical doesn't really matter. So you could either go 3 horizontal, 11 vertical, which if you meet at the intersection point is the answer. Or you can either do 11 on the horizontal line, 3 on the vertical line, meet at the intersection point, and that will also equal the answer. Let's do that as blue. So let's draw 3 groups if you can't do the multiplication table. And let's put 11 dots. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So if we count all the dots in total, that will be our answer. Or since we know each group has 11, 11 plus 11 plus 11 will equal the answer. So 11 plus 11 plus 11. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3, and 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. Therefore, the answer will be 33. Okay, let's look at a word problem. So a good tip for this is to underline important stuff and also check out signal words such as more than, half, less than, lost, and etc. So Faith went to a park with her friends and saw a group of 20 ducks. Oh, okay, sorry. Sorry for that issue. Okay, sorry about that. Some technical difficulties. So Faith went to a park with her friends and saw a group of 20 ducks. So if there's a number, that's probably an important sign. When she gave the crumbs of bread, half of the ducks surrounds her. How many ducks were surrounding Faith for food? So we're looking for the amount of ducks surrounding Faith for food. And we know that half of the ducks surrounds her. So what half basically means is literally 1 over 2, which is basically divide by 2. So we get 20 since we have a group of 20 ducks, and we're going to split it. So we're going to do 2. So how many times can 2 go into 2? Well, 2 times 1 is 2. So 2 times 1. So if you subtract from the product, 2 times 1 is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. You think we're done, but no, we have to drag the other number down. Once all the numbers are dragged down, then the answer is, then the division problem is complete. So how many times can 2 go into 0? Well, anything times 0 is equal to 0. So 2 go into 0, 0 times. Therefore, there are 10 ducks surrounding them. Remember to write the units, which is ducks for this example, box your answers, and that's it. I hope this was simple, I hope this was easy, and have a great day. Bye!